Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we are replacing the blade on a Flymo Ultra Glide lawnmower. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. Have you noticed your lawnmower no longer cuts the grass the way it used to? The blade can become worn and unable to be used, so it will need to be replaced. Take out the grass box and put it to one side. Turn the lawnmower onto its side and we can see the blade here. It's the edge of the blade that becomes worn and stops it from cutting the grass. You will need a socket set to remove the nut holding the blade in place. Put on some safety gloves to hold the blade safely, but use a towel if you haven't got gloves. Turn the nut anti-clockwise with your socket set to release. Take it completely out and lift the old blade off. When fitting the new blade, make sure you fit it the correct way. The blade will have a description on it to tell you which is the correct way, but the easy way is to make sure the flat side is facing towards the ground, as that's the part that cuts the grass. Place the nut into the motor shaft and use the socket set to turn it clockwise, and make sure you have your gloves on or a towel to protect your hands. It needs to be tight, otherwise the nut will work loose during use and the blade may drop off. And there we have it, one blade replaced on a Flymo Ultra Glide lawnmower. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.